Today, we're going to show you how having Ablestar Bulk Editor installed on Shopify allows you to add admin blocks from the Shopify editor. Our specific block will allow you to edit market prices and compare at prices without even leaving the Shopify admin. So let's say you're looking at any product within Shopify. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see an option for blocks. We're just going to click there. And it's going to give us the option for an edit product market and catalog price, which typically you can't do from this view. So what our app, since you already have Ablestar Bulk Editor installed, allows you to do is to add this additional block functionality. Once you click on this block, I'm going to pin it to save it for future. And then I'm going to select which option market I'd like. And then I can update the catalog price, which might be $23.99, and I'd like my compare at price to be $25. And then you set price to save. It is that simple.